This is such a soft yarn. It feels so good to the touch. The neck test is also very good. And you get 3.5 ounces or 100 grams for 160 yards. And it is a 30% long staple cotton and 70% acrylic, which makes it a really versatile for different projects. And it, because of the cotton and the acrylic blend, it gives it such a nice luxury feeling. It's very soft. It will make a comfortable wear because of the cotton, and it has great color choices. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try, right? It looks really great. The stitch definition is great. It does not split, and it's just a delight to work with. It goes very smoothly along your project. And I'm working on a shawl with all these pretty colors here.